What's up, y'all? So your girl is in a Tesla, and I'm in a Tesla first time, and I'm about to I don't know, it's just really cute, really nice. Okay, y'all, so this is the screen, right? So right here, this is like me, right? I'm in this blue Tesla. The car is on hold, like it's in drive, as you can see, but my feet ain't doing nothing. That's so raw to me. And this is like how much miles I got left to the car die right here. And this is just showing you everything that's going on. You can talk to people, all types of stuff over there. But yeah, so I'm just vlogging my first time in the Tesla. You know, we got the white seats. I call them marshmallow seats. Eats. Let me just a little bit. But yeah, I'm about to, oh, I keep forgetting. You don't need the brake. You just only need to floor it like SpongeBob. Ah! Okay, let me stop playing. So yeah, I'm about to go to Zaxby's and get me something to eat. I just left BMW because I'm just that girl, and I had some business to take care of at BMW. But yeah, so we about to come over here and we about to plus a Yui. I hate that it just be breaking for me. I'm not gonna lie, cause I'm not trying to like completely stop, but I'm trying to, you know, get in position. That's all I wanted to do. I don't like that. Come on, babe. I hate that this car breaks. Ugh. It's making me mad. I don't like that for me. But I ain't adjust my mirrors. Okay, whatever. The car do show me stuff. Oh, we got miles across the street. We got Chevrolet. I passed Kia. Oh yeah, Kia. All these car places. I fancy. Y'all know I don't want to really play that much music because y'all know they be trying to copyright me all the time. They always copyrighting my style. I don't even be playing music like that for real. I be playing music from they little playlists from their YouTube studios, and they still be trying to copyright a real girl. I don't like that for me. So my screen is telling me like, girl, get over, cause you in them other people lane. I love that. Oh, look at this car, so nice. BMW. It's the newer model X6, and we passing by Audi right now. Ain't I'm on Main Street? I should be on Main Street. Oh yeah, cause there go Wendy's. So I said I was going to Zaxby's. So if I keep going, I'ma pass what is called Publix and DTLR. I got in the lane. Car. Why you still got your? Hold on. Okay. I hate that. So as soon as you slightly take your foot off the gas, just a little bit. Just a little bit, it be so ready to just stop. No, I don't like that for me. But anyways, Zaxby's is right over here. Ain't it on tripping? Yeah, it's right here. Look, like this car. I like the car, but I don't like the car. It's just like. Yeah, I'm gonna get used to the Tesla. I'm gonna get used to it. Oh my gosh, car. Okay. That's not okay. This car, it's gonna make me so mad. Anyway, I'm gonna order my food, and then when I'm done ordering my food, I will be right back. This is Sprite. This is Sprite?
Huh?
Yeah. I wanted blueberry lemonade. I don't drink soda.
Blueberry lemonade?
Yeah. Or any type of just juice would be fine. Okay. I don't drink soda. It's juice. Yes.
Juice.
Thank you.
Got juice.
You want another one?
You want a drink? I want to tip him. My dad always tell me when people do you good, you do them good. Give me my purse, my wallet. My dad always like, and I think that's a nice thing. Yeah. I ain't got much, but something. I'll be like, I ain't gonna lie. I really love your customer service. I'm gonna ask him what's his name. I'm gonna put a review if I remember to do the review. I usually don't remember to do it. Thank you. This for you. Don't tell your manager. You just over.
Tastes good.
Yeah, we about to make TikToks, y'all. Let's look and see what your chicken bacon French fries look like. I think this is it right here.
Probably.
Y'all saw I'm back.
Give me some of your chicken now. See what.
Okay, so I know I look super dark, don't mind that, but I got I got the wings and things. So it come with chicken fingers, actual regular like bone-in chicken, and it come with fries. So basically I got like 3 separate things. So as y'all can see, I got like my little chicken fingers right here. It come with 3 chicken fingers, 5 wings, and then my little bread. So good. And my fries. And yeah, it's real good. And then of course they give you extra sauce, so they put your ranch in the bag with your Zax sauce. That's for my thing. But yeah, so we about to head on to the housey house. Ooh, these fries is seasoned too much, a little too much right now. So now I gotta reverse the car. Oh, the car is already in reverse.
It's in reverse.
Oh, my bad. You cannot be fucking crazy. Okay. Just heading home. So what I'm about to do, that was 23rd Street. Okay, yeah. So I need to go to, I'm not gonna tell y'all what street I live off of. No, because I don't live off of that street, but I like to go on that street to get home. I don't live off of the street though.
Oh, okay.
Come on now, I'm not crazy. Gotta stop for a selfie break. Your girl takes selfies every day. Even if I don't post them, I still just need to take them, because why not have me, my beautiful self, and my beautiful phone? Y'all see that pink iPhone? Get it? Yeah. But anyways, let's keep on driving.
She'll catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkers, how you did that? Your LV better to...
Happy New Year from your girl, The Black Pocahontas. And I just want to say I hope you ended off last year in a great way and started this new year in an even more greater way. And I just want to put this Tesla to the test. So I'm about to go ahead and I'm about to floor it. You know, like SpongeBob, how you be like, floor it? Yeah, I'm about to go ahead and floor it in this next clip. Let's go.
Atlas Salt is Canada's only
Stepping on it for real.
Cause I was coming to a stop
pure play salt company.
Oh, wait. Still ain't enough. Still ain't enough. And the ball. That still ain't enough. A lot of skrilla, man. That still ain't enough. Hold on. YFTC. We've been doing it.
Y'all, I hit a freaking speed hump. It's like I knew it was there, but I didn't know it was there. But I was too busy trying to floor it. Oh, I done hit another one. Just take me off the wheel. We all know Teslas are famous for their panoramic roof. So let me just show y'all my little view. Like, look at Therese. That's me, Therese. Y'all see the camera? Yeah. Oh, yeah, look at Marshmallow seats. Real clean, real nice insides. Let's get it. Ooh. I'm gonna attempt to park, reverse park the Tesla, y'all. Okay. Okay, I guess okay, never mind. I don't know which parking I want at this point. Okay, so I'm just gonna get this one because it's easier to get this one.
Okay.
I know, I'm not that slow. All these bushes and trees and stuff. What the fuck? God, what am I really hitting right now? But anyways, dang, 20 minutes? It's been recording for 20 minutes? But you bad and you know it. Fine in the face. Okay, y'all, but yeah.